Do remember, I stand for International English Language Testing System. Clear? It has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Got it? Now, first of all, listening. What is listening? Listening clock says that the timing of listening is 40 minutes, as green color shows it. Got it? Until 30 minutes, the tape will be played. And after 10 minutes, as you see the other color, that is called color of different blue color, it shows that you have to transfer your answer, extra 10 minutes to transfer your answer from a booklet to a separate sheet, as it happens in mock test. Is it okay? Next is that type of question: multiple choice questions, more important; MCQs question, they are very important. Give short answers that consist of only 1 and 2 words. Label a plan and a map. This is already a new phenomenon. This is fill in the forms, and another, I think, complete flow chart and table. These type of questions will be the part of your listening module. Is it okay? Okay. Now, do remember, you will be listening for a purpose of few people's pronunciation: Australian, British, New Zealand, and North American. And then the passage you hear will increase in difficulty as you go through the test. That means this is little difficult than that. This is much difficult than both of them. This is most difficult, all of them. Clear? They vary. Do remember, it has 4 parts, as you see. Part 1 and part 3 are dialogues. Part 1, part 2 and part 4 are lectures. Why? Do remember one thing, because you see only one person here, but here you see 2 persons, here you see more than 2 persons. That means the topics of first one is on social matters. Second would be the telling of history of a thing. Third one is telling on the research, and the fourth is on subject. So these are all listening. If you get 25 right, your band will be 6, and 27 your band will be 6.5, and 30 your band will be 7. Is it okay? Now comes towards reading. Reading has 60 minutes timing, as you see. In 60 minutes timing, 40 questions will be asked. As clock says that whole 60 minutes the tape will be. Especially you will be doing this. Clear? And next, do remember, 3 long paragraphs will be selected for that. Number 1 paragraph is on chronology. That means present, past, and future of any topic. Second paragraph might be on technology. And third one is on psychology and linguistic and research. Is it okay? This is more. Most of the paragraphs in this reading paragraph would be selected or chosen right from National Geographic journals, scientists, or the economist. These are the sources from where the material have been getting. And do remember, 60 minutes, 40 questions, 3 long sections, each contain 13, and 14 questions. Got it? They make 40 questions. If you get 25 right, your band will be 6. And both of these tests, none of the questions require more than 3 word answer. You will either answer 1 word or 2 words, not more than that. 3 is the limit. Okay? Last. And the last, because on a test day, you first of all take a test of listening. Second, reading. And third one, right at 3:15 or 3:30, you will be taking the test of writing. Because your test will certainly start at 1 o'clock. Clear? After 1 hour, you will be handed over a reading test, and then after taking all reading test, you will be delivered also writing test, and at 4:30 or 4:40, you will be leaving off the whole. Is it okay? It's a long test. So one is task. Task 1 means graph description. Graph description contains only 150 words answer. More than 150 is also being welcomed. But you have to do within the limit of 1 hour, as clock says. Clear? And as you see, organization of the ideas, appropriateness of your responses, and accurate range of vocabulary and grammar are more important in that. That is why I am telling you, please do homework every day. Homework is more important. Next, then you have to write an essay of 250 words that are most important. Is it okay? And you have to do both the jobs within the limit of 60 minutes. Graph description contains 3 band, but essay contains 6 band. You have to work more on essay than graph. This is, and we have proportionate study of whole week. First two days are reserved for listening, and lastly speaking. Speaking will take 11 to 14 minutes timing. In this 11 to 14 minutes timing, you have to first of all short question answer session, just lasting for 4 minutes or 5 minutes, and after that you have to speak on a topic for 2 minutes. In this 2 minutes you have to speak for 200 words, more than 200 words in 2 minutes, and that is the limit. And you might get more momentum, fluency, accuracy that are most important in that particular paragraphs. And do remember, the first section contains 2 band, the second section contains 4 band, and the third section, as you see, long question answer, it contains 3 band. They make 9. Each module here up to here, listening contains 9 band, reading contains 9 band, writing contains 9 band, and speaking all 9 band. Is it okay? Speaking will be happening or will be held just before 1 or 2 days or after 1 and 2 days. Is it okay? This is most important. Is it clear now? I think so. I have replied all the answers. Thank you very much.